Hello, today I will be doing a tutorial of how I edit on CapCut and alightmotion.
So first I add the clips that I'll be editing onto CapCut. Then I get rid of the parts of the clip that I won't be using. Then after that I press the export button at the top right corner of my screen. Then I save the video to my photos. Then I go to alightmotion, click the middle plus button at the bottom of the screen and change the clip size to 4:3, background black, frame rate 60 FPS and resolution to 160p 4K. I already did all of the editing stuff, but I will still tell you what to do. So first I press the plus button at the bottom right side of my screen, then press media, and then add the clip I'll be using for the audio. Then I click on the clip, and in the top right corner of my screen will be 3 dots. Press the 3 dots, then press extract audio and delete the clip. Then I add the clip I'll be using to edit, then I add thumbnail frames at the beats of the audio. Then first I add my watermark and my CC, then I use different parts of the clip to add to each beat. Then I go and add my effects to each clip. Then I press the export button at the top right corner, then I wait till the video's done exporting, then I save it to my photos. And the results are
What's up?